Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually change this computer background. First, you can right click anywhere on the desktop, go right here to the personalization. Alright, and it bring right here that you can actually change it. Alright, if close it, we're going to look at another way. Go right here and click on the search bar. You click right here on settings. Now you notice this is what happened. You come right here and click on personalization. So which one is easier for you? Just work with that one. Now when you click on it, this is what happened. If I come right here, you notice it should right up here that it actually the move. Alright, let me minimize it a little bit. You notice, see it right on as it shows it move so far. Yes, and if I come back again and I put this one right here, what is show that it actually remove. Let me see. Again, you notice this is what it's showing like. Alright, so I'll go back again, I click. And I can come up right here and close. So this is our background. So definitely this is our actually change our background right on our computer here. So remember to share, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.